So, let's see here. Nope, I don't want to touch that. Pause. Let's scroll down. Okay. Don't have my headphones today, so I'll be streaming off the phone. And today is April 28th, 2028. Check out Options Arena LLC, where we do options and futures trade alerts. It's only $49.99. Now that is on the way, we are at 55.60. The opening, let's see here. The orders. Let's go to the orders. Let's go straight to the market orders. All right. So for today, the orders are wrong notebook. The orders are 55, 50 retracements, with a 15-minute green candlestick off of that level. I have a trend line going like this, and it's going to be looking like that with the level being at 55.50. Now, it is squeezing in between 55.50 and 55.60, but it may just bounce out of that range. To me, that's a squeeze range or a sideways bound range. So the next order would be 55.70 longs with a test. So that means I need a red before I go long on that. So again, that would be it looking like this. Oh, sorry. That'd be like it looking like that and then going like that. All right, off of either the 55.70. I put 55. I'm about to change my plan. All right, so what do I see on this chart? This is an hourly chart. So the first thing is see a steady bull. See a steady bull here. And is there any way I can lock this? Let's see. Guess not. What do I have it on? Yeah. So it's got a steady bull going. Got some streaming going on up here. Steady stream up. Then the shaft trending up. That is a very good sign. Down here, that shaft is trending up. So that's not foolproof, but we also have a MACD cross up. So that's the second bullish indicator. And I think that the trend line here is on 55.50. So that's where this is right here. Or more so, that's where we're at here. Now, if we drop below 55.50, I'm not doing anything but looking at it, seeing what it's going to do. We have earnings this week. This is a big earnings week, so that should be interesting. The support levels were at 55.30, and the second support was at 55.10. So I got a lot of support levels at 5,500, right above 5,500, holding it above this level. But the second we drop below that, I'm not doing a put or I'm not going short, but yeah, I'm just watching what it's going to do because it could retrace back up. Um, it is really eyeballing the 5,600 level. Also because it's a green candle on the daily, and we're trading against the shaft and MACD, and it's just all the indicators are showing bullish, except for the daily 50-day MA, which is right below that. So I'm looking at it to at least get up to 5,600 today. So if you want to put in an order now for it to go up, go for it. I mean, it's bullish for now until somebody tweets or texts something. The next drop below 5,500 that I'm seeing is 5,340. And so because we have like this squeeze, it can either go up or down drastically. So it's been trading within us within 100-point ranges for the last week or so. So it's been manageable, and it's been trending up. So nothing crazy. Also, 5,600 is a res line, so I'm not doing anything above this. Seeing that that's the resistance line, and above here and here easily get some bullish action. You can catch that right up, and it's already showing that it's trending. So that range is 5,500 to 5,600. My chicken scratch is impeccable. This is our range here for today. It's a weird trend line squeeze pattern. That's what I put. So this is what I'm expecting it to do, or it's gonna do this, but it's moving in between this range of 5,600 to 5,500 to 5,600. You can definitely get some puts or some shorts in here, but just be careful because again, it's trending up right now. So that's what I saw. I don't think any alerts have gone off yet on my account, but just be careful. I'm waiting for it to retest. So, that red candle down and then let it go up. Let it test the levels before you jump in. Today is going to be interesting. So I'm just sitting on the sidelines and I'm not even buying into the flow. Like if it's at 55.51 or 55.52, I am only buying it at these levels below. I'm only buying it at these levels below. If it is not at this level or this level, I'm not entering. Point blank, period. If I miss it, that's cool. I've already made my trading goal for the month, and really I'm just being super cautious with my entry points. So we're heading into a new month. They always say when in May, go away or something like that. Like May is kind of a bearish month. So we kind of recovered in April a little bit. Don't know how true that is. I got to look at the chart, but yeah, when in May, go away or something like that. May is known to be a bearish month. So we have Q1 earnings coming through this week, have GDP, have a lot of news going on. Friday should actually be pretty calm, but I think it's going to make its moves before then. So probably around Wednesday, that's when we're going to get our biggest move. And we'll be there to look at it. So y'all have a great day. Be safe trading. Have your stop losses. Follow your plan. And blessings and prosperity on your journey. All right. Signing out.